Alright guys, so I gotta go ahead and repair this right quick for my daughter. Now this probably gonna burn up a little bit. I'm gonna try my best not to burn it up, but basically just a stool that broke and she wanted. I'm gonna go show you the other stool how it look. So this is how the stool looked originally. So what I did was I just pulled out as many staples as I could to remove the cushion and the fabric with these pliers, and I'm gonna go back and put them back in and wrap all of the leather and stuff back. The first thing I want to do, I just want to clean up the area that I'm going to weld a little bit, get the rust from around there with this grinder. I also want to just weld, I want to grind off these old welds on here also. I have on a long sleeve shirt, but it's not. So I'm just gonna basically tack it off. Then I'm gonna run 2 little beads. Go ahead and clean it up, then we're gonna weld it out. Now, basically, it's gonna be like little tacks. This pipe is so thin, the littlest heat is going through it. I just wanna make sure that it's secure. Flex core, but it doesn't have gas, so the technology that's shielding the weld from the impurities is building inside of this flex core. So if we had gas, the slag would be peeling off. So it's almost similar to stick welding, this type of technology right here, but the advantage you have is the trigger and the wire. Go a little light. You can see that pipe. I'm just building off that higher metal to really fill in that pipe. I probably should have got that TIG weld out or something like that, but I'm gonna make it work. And like I said, we don't need much. I'm gonna run 1 more beam underneath there and we'll be done right here. Put a couple more beams across there. All right, you can stop. And that's pretty much what we're gonna put on there just to hold it. Like I said, it's basically just a tacking job. See that hole down there? I'm gonna go ahead and fill that and then just grind the BBs off.